It is natural that, as the years go by, we start to notice changes on our skin. It can become more flaccid, wrinkly, and some spots may appear. Do you know why it happens? The reason for that is collagen, whose production starts to drop over time. If you are over 25 years old, it might be a good idea to start taking care of your skin and recover your collagen supply. If that is your case, this video was made for you. In today's video, we will show you some healthy habits that you can add to your routine to keep your skin looking always healthy and young. Collagen is an essential protein for beautiful and healthy skin, resulting in more elasticity and firmness. Collagen represents 70% of all the proteins in the skin and is naturally produced by the cells. Besides being responsible for keeping your skin firm, collagen is also very important to your hair, nails, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and joints. Did you know that you can find collagen in some foods? That's right, foods like meat and gelatin are rich in collagen, and you can also supplement this protein. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you and your health. Also, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who needs to watch this. Besides taking care of your eating habits, it is also necessary to pay attention to some external factors that can accelerate the collagen drop in your body, like excessive exposure to the sun, excessive consumption of sugar, smoking, and pollution. Those are the reasons for some people to look older than the others. However, some skin suffer less with collagen loss, even when exposed daily to these same conditions. Did you know that? According to some scientific studies, black skin degrades less collagen and can maintain more of its elasticity, since it has a higher concentration of melanin and collagen of higher quality. That's why people with darker skin tones usually don't suffer as much when exposed to the sun. Their skin is denser, more elastic, and more resistant to the effects of the aging process. Not everybody needs to supplement collagen. People who already consume an adequate amount of this protein in their daily lives don't need an extra dose, according to the experts. Besides that, there is no scientific evidence that cosmetics with collagen in their composition can stimulate the production of the protein when applied topically. If you can't ingest collagen through foods, it might be necessary to supplement it. In this case, the hydrolyzed collagen is the most recommended since it is absorbed more easily by the gastrointestinal tract. If that is your case, it is essential to talk to a specialized doctor before. Besides a supplementation accompanied by an expert, some other factors can affect the replacement of collagen: the presence of vitamin C and D in your diet, drinking plenty of water, practicing physical activity, and moderate exposure to the sunlight. When exposed to the sun, remember to take the necessary steps. Avoid the sun from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., unless it is for a few minutes, since the midday is the best hour to absorb vitamin D. Apply a sunscreen, like the one we already taught on the channel. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.